Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video, I am mainly going to be doing a um, room tour on how I record my videos and everything. So actually, we are currently recording a video now, so yeah, pretty interesting. But this camera that I'm using, it's a Logitech camera, which is pretty wiggly, so yeah, just maybe excuse those. But I'm going to turn off my microphone and we're going to travel over to my computer. Okay, so here's my computer. I have got it right here. It's recording right now. This is iPivo Presenter, and it's currently recording my webcam, which is right here, my Logitech. And then I've got my Camtasia recorder recording up here. Just currently recording that. So mainly that's how I do it, and my computer is a Toshiba Windows 10. There's my microphone stand right over there. Right over here, if we can get it over here. It's right over there somewhere. Yeah, you could have seen it. And the microphone that I record with is right over here that I'm holding right now. This is a Audio-Technica. It's an ATR USB microphone. So we're going to head over behind my computer and we'll see some stuff behind there. Okay, so we have got a couple things over here. If you cannot see me, I'm sorry because just because of the camera, I just can't see because my preview window is over here. It's an Acer LCD monitor. I have two screens connected to one computer. But anyways, this is my guard for my microphone. That's for a wind guard and stuff like that. I just don't use it because I'm recording right now and I think it's fine right now. Over back there, I have my some of my recording equipment, like my pop filter and stuff like that. This is a very thick microphone. I use a separate keyboard down here and a mouse, but yeah. My computer is actually a laptop, but I've got so much stuff wired onto it that, like, it's technically not even a laptop. It's like a regular computer. But I've got some cameras back here and a lot of other games back there. Here's my Insignium thing, so that way we can get some USB places, because actually I blew out these two USB places down here. Those I blew out because I put way too much power into them. And yeah. I've got a 3D printer in that other room. The door's closed right now, so yeah. What else? Oh, well, I've got some drones over there. Yeah, that's Captor GPS. Oh, yeah, I should show you my editing program that I use to do it, and you will not get like a screencast right now. It's just because of my camera, but here it is. It's Camtasia. It's a really nice program, and we've got my timeline down there, my stuff that I can use to edit my videos, my media bin. There's some media stuff for the end of my videos, stuff like that. I've got quiz addings that you can add on quizzes and a lot of other stuff that you can do in this. So yeah, that's mainly that. Up here we have got a little recording toolbar, because this is actually not recording. This is actually recording my screen on my computer, which is actually not recording my webcam. It's technically recording my computer, because on my second screen I've got the iPivo Presenter that's recording my webcam, and that does this. This records the iPivo Presenter, which is on my camera right over here. So that's mainly how that works. Oh, yeah. Okay, this is very important that I need to show you. Over here I've got my green screen. This is my green screen that I use for recording videos. I don't really know if I've published a green screen video on YouTube yet, but yeah, here's our 65-inch Vizio TV. I've used a TV, but not that specific one before. I've used it in one of my videos to record a video about the closest moon in 70 years. I used a TV to do it, but that was our smaller one that we had before we upgraded to that TV. But yeah, our audio is hooked up to this sound thing right over here. I don't have really any external speakers, except for a couple that I may hook up during recording time, which is usually my Insignia back there. I don't know if you can see it. If you look way back there, I could be zooming in right now, but if you look way back there, that blue thing on there is my Insignia speaker. We've got a tripod over there. I was just recording stuff with it. Actually, I was gonna make my video over here. I don't know what of though. And yeah. So what else? I don't know, guys. What else have you need to see on my YouTube channel? You can leave in the comments below, and I'll be answering the comments on what you actually need, what we can do for that. But yeah. So that's pretty much it, I would say. Except for my thing over there that turns off everything on my computer. It turns off that, it turns off my microphone, it turns off everything that's connected into that, so it turns off my computer, it turns off everything if you flick that switch back out there. Oh yeah, my external hard drive is down there, which is 1 terabyte, 2 terabytes, I'm not sure. But yeah, it's just to speed up my computer. I have a lot of stuff in there actually. But I haven't used up even 1 terabyte yet, or probably like 100 gigabytes yet. I have a ton of SD cards down there and a lot of other stuff down there. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Oh, well, look at here. So I decided to just show you a little screencast of me editing my videos. So before I showed you my editing software, and I said I couldn't do a screencast, but here is most of it. There's when I did that and all of that. That's the spotlight. That's for that one. That's my microphone right there. I decided to add something onto that. This is when the stuff went out. When I was talking about these 2 USB things and they blew out because I put way too much power into them. The drones, a lot of other stuff. So I'm actually going to show you me actually doing it, some of it. So let's see if I can actually find something here that I can actually edit. I've been sniffing a lot in the video. But wow, just a ceiling shot. So you see how that's a ceiling shot? I'm going to take that out, so I'm going to go. Well, I mean, there's text on it, so I'm probably not. Well. And then this is what? Okay. So it's when I upgraded to this TV, about when I did one of my videos. But let's zoom in like that. Okay, now let's put this back normally to my normal webcam, just like that. Let's put in something funny right here, like, oh, maybe a couple though. Let's go. Oh, comma, maybe a couple though. Nope. Okay. Okay, here I need to zoom in definitely. So let's go ahead and zoom in a lot back here. It's right here, like right about there. So let's go ahead and mark that up with the little sketch motion thing. So, recording. Okay, somebody just burst into the room while I was recording. Okay. But what? Oh, this is the draw time. Okay, so this is like this is gonna be like a little. That's blue thing is my Insignia speaker that I was showing you, but nope, that's horrible. Okay. We're gonna have to scooch that up a little bit, like maybe right there. Could be zooming in right now. Okay, that is actually really hard to catch. If you look way back there, I could be zooming in right now. That's also my bunny's cage over there. But if you look way back there, that blue thing on there is my Insignia speaker. We've got to. Okay, that is way zoomed in. So I'm going to zoom out, and I'm gonna go animations, zoom and pan. So I'm gonna zoom and pan my animations, just so that way it's a little bit even. Okay, that's better. We've got a tripod over there. I was just recording stuff with it. Actually, I was gonna. That's my tripod. My video. Oh nope, that's my tripod. Okay, so we're gonna have to go another sketch motion thing, and we're gonna make that super huge. I'm gonna make my video over here. I don't know what of though. And yeah. Whew. So what else? I don't know, guys. What else if you need to see on my YouTube channel, you can leave in the comments below, and I'll be answering the comments on what you actually need. Okay, let's put an arrow down there, so that way they can actually see that it's going to be in the comments below. So let's go comments below. Comments below. Comments. I don't think I missed anything, though, so I shouldn't be getting that many comments. What we can do for that. But, yeah. So, that's pretty much it, I would say. So, yeah, that's probably the end of the video right there. So, I'd add this subscribe thing back in the thing, and do subscribe, please. If you haven't checked out my latest video, it will be right up here. Right up here. So, yeah. It's going to be right up in the top corner, or somewhere along the screen is going to be my latest video on what it's called. So go ahead and check it out. Thanks for watching.